In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to log into your Netspend account with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you like to use. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar. Here, you're going to type in Netspend and hit enter. This will take you to a list of search results. Now look for the official Netspend website among those results. The site should be easily identifiable as it will likely be at or near the top of the list. You'll notice the URL listed is https://bw.netspend.com, which is the official website address. Go ahead and click on that link, and it will take you directly to the homepage of the Netspend website. Once you arrive at the Netspend homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. Typically, this is prominently displayed, and you can usually find it either on the top right corner of the page or sometimes centered on the page if the website layout has been updated recently. Go ahead and click that login button to proceed to the login page. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your account credentials. Start by clicking on the field labeled Username. In this box, you'll enter the username associated with your Netspend account. Remember that usernames can be case sensitive, so take care to enter it just as you created it when setting up your account. After entering your username, it's time to move on to the next field labeled Password. Click there and type in your password. Similar to your username, the password is also case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock key is turned off unless your password includes capital letters. If you haven't already, you might also want to take this time to double check your login details against any saved information you may have. With both fields filled out correctly, you're almost there. At this point, just go ahead and click on the button that says Log In right below your credentials, and you'll be taken to your account's dashboard if everything was entered correctly. If for some reason you're having trouble logging in, it could be due to entering incorrect information. Be sure to verify that both your username and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, most sites, including Netspend, will have an option to recover it, usually via an email link or security question verification. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully logged into your Netspend account. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process seamless for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.